This is problem 7-117 from section 7.2.1. The graph at right was made by shifting the first cycle of y equals sine of x to the left. How many units to the left was it shifted? So if we think about what the sine graph actually looks like, the regular one, it starts at 0, 0. Okay, starts at 0, 0. So if we look at where this one starts at negative pi 0, right here. Okay, so this one's a negative pi. So how many units to the left was it shifted? Ooh. Okay, so it was from here, it moved to the left pi units. So for part A, it was shifted left pi units. Alright, so that's for part A. Shifted to the left pi units because it normally starts at 0, 0. And it's moved over to start. Now it's like its x-intercept is at negative pi. So part B, figure out how to change the equation of y equals sine of x so it represents this graph. Okay. So if I want to know if something moved over left and right, here we're going to use our basic equation of a times sine of x minus h plus k. Now, which one makes it move left or right? Which parameter makes it move left and right? Well, that's going to be k right here. And remember, it's going to be the opposite of which direction I want it to go. So my a is just going to be 1, so I'm going to just not have to write it at all. And so I want it to be x, and it went to the left pi units. Right? It went to the left pi. So I want to do the opposite of that, and I'm going to say, instead of left typically seems negative, I'm going to say plus pi. Okay? That one's always been the opposite. And then my plus k is up and down. It didn't move any up and down at all. So right here is the equation for that shifted sine curve, and it was shifted to the left pi unit. So the equation would be y equals sine of x plus pi. Inside this parentheses is the plus pi.